The best kids' workbenches. To prevent your children from becoming screen addicts, encourage their artistic and creative side by getting them the best kids' workbenches. That's right, as tools meant for adults should be kept out of children's reach. You can buy them their own little alternatives and watch them create masterpieces on that workbench. This carefully curated list includes colorful workbenches that are durable. Moreover, these workbenches are safe for children. So keep watching and choose the right workbench for your little one. Number 1. Best colorful and practical. Hape Master Workbench. You can gift this kids builder workbench to your child if they like hammering and using screwdrivers. It is a real-life simulation bench that children can fix and build as many times as they want. The size of the pieces is big enough for kids. What we like. Contains 35 pieces. Includes screws, bolts, nuts, and gears. Has convenient storage space. Height can be adjusted. Colorful and practical design. What we don't like. Dull finishing. Not all parts fit well. Number 2. Best convenient. Little Tikes Tough Workshop. Your little one can hammer nails and cut the make-believe wood with this workshop bench. It includes big but lightweight tools and accessories that are safe and convenient for children to play with. The tool bench is colorful and attractive. What we like. Comes with 11 accessories. Kid-friendly and convenient. Made of lightweight plastic. Has additional storage space. Helps develop hand-eye coordination. What we don't like. Small in size. May not be suitable for older toddlers. Number 3. Best long-lasting. Melissa and Doug Wooden Project Workbench. The kids' wooden workbench is made of superior quality wood, which makes it safe and durable. It is sturdy and has a kid-friendly design, suiting the requirements of children aged 3 to 6 years. The workbench comes with several accessories to keep your child occupied. What we like. Comes with a storage shelf. It measures 26 by 24 by 19 inches. Safe and long-lasting. Includes a tool rack, hardware, and wooden tools. Could encourage creativity and stir the imagination. What we don't like. Pieces may not fit well. Assembling may not be easy. Number 4. Best to improve critical thinking. Step 2 Toy Workshop. The tool bench is made of plastic and has plenty of accessories, including a hammer, nuts, nails, bolts, and a drill. Children can enjoy pretending to play by drilling holes and hammering nails safely. What we like. Contains 65 accessories. Has 2 storage spaces. Pieces are made of foam wood. Kid-friendly design and construction. Can help improve critical thinking and motor skills. What we don't like. Some pieces do not fit properly. May not last long. Number 5. Best attractive design. Ever-Earth Toddler Workbench with tools. Your child can use standard tools, such as a hammer, saw, and screwdriver. With this, pretend to play kids' workbench. It is made of safe wood that is free of BPH and toxic substances. The wood is stained and smoothly finished, so that it doesn't harm your child. What we like. Attractive design. The set includes 5 tools. Has storage space at the bottom. Easy to assemble and play with. Safe and durable. What we don't like. Toy pieces are a tad small. May not be suitable for younger children. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.